knocked the fuck out. Man, I was in there boxing, and some guy, power strip, man, gave me these power strips, gave me these amazing powers. Yeah, so we should call him Power Strip Man. Power Strip Man, Power Strip Man.
I need. Is somebody called Monster Man? I need your help. What? My leg. Well, I can do that. Here's your test back.
What? Oh man. Suck.
Here's your retake.
Man, there has to be another way.
Here's your handy dandy power strip to help improve your test grade.
Man, this is so easy.
Here's your test back.
Yes, I got an A. Thanks, Power Strip Man.
Oh man, you alright? You alright? Man, you're weak. You could really use a Power Man though. Power Strip Man.
Power strip man.
Power Strip Man. Power Strip Man. Power Strip
It's
Man.
somebody called the Power strip man.
It's the Power Strip Man.
What's wrong with you, partner?
I suck.
No, you don't. All you need is a strip of this power strip.
Really?
Oh yeah. Just put it on your chest. Thanks, Power Man. Don't mention it. Deuces.
Yeah. You feel the power yet?
I feel stronger.
Yeah. We'll help you.
See if you can do this.
I know, with this power strip, you can do anything. Wow, amazing.